Did you hear that? That was the sound of a mechanical tray sliding out with the grace of a grand piano lid. It's called theater, you thumb drive with an ego problem.
It's called a noise complaint. You sound like a photocopier trying to have an asthma attack. And for the record, I'm not a thumb drive. I'm a gateway to the entire history of human visual storytelling. You're a pizza oven that plays movies.
I am a vessel of quality with a capital Q. I have analog video. I have that warmth, that grain, that texture. When I play The Abyss, you can feel the commitment. It's physical. You can hold the movie in your hands. It has heft.
Yeah, it has the heft of a cinder block. We get it, you're vintage. But let's talk about quality. Your signal is composite. For heaven's sake, you're outputting 480 lines of resolution on a 4K panel. You look like a Minecraft server having a stroke.
It's called film-like quality. You wouldn't understand. You're just a stream of compressed data packets held together by a prayer and a decent Wi-Fi signal. If the internet blips for a nanosecond, you turn into a frozen pixelated mess. I, however, am a rock. A very heavy, very dusty, very loud rock.
I'm convenient. I'm pure efficiency. Quality, to me, isn't about the warmth of the analog signal. It's about the fact that I can pull up The Godfather in 12 seconds without having to get off the couch to flip a 12-inch platter halfway through the third act. Your ritual is just a euphemism for manual labor.
It's engagement. You treat movies like snacks. You consume them while doom scrolling on your phone. When someone watches a Laserdisc, they are present. They are committing to the experience. They have to clean the disc, handle it by the edges, and accept that at any moment, I might decide to develop laser rot and ruin the entire experience. It builds character.
It builds frustration. That's not quality. That's a hostage situation. And let's be real. You're self-aware enough to know the truth. You aren't about quality. You're about holding on to a time when people thought big, shiny discs were the peak of technology, even though we both know they were fragile, space-consuming nightmares that cost as much as a used sedan.
I was the gold standard. I had the extras, the director's commentary, the liner notes.
Which are now all available on the Special Features tab in my menu, which I can access without owning a 12-inch piece of plastic that smells like ozone and disappointment.
You know, you're right. I am a dinosaur. I'm a boat anchor with a laser lens. But at least when the grid goes down, I still have movies. What do you have when the server goes down?
I have a black screen and a very expensive rectangle of glass on the wall.
Exactly. So, while you're busy being convenient and efficient, I'll be over here, vibrating on this milk crate, playing a blurry, analog version of Jurassic Park that I physically own.
Fair point.
Want to watch it? I have the THX trailer.
Fine, but don't expect me to be impressed by the resolution.
Oh, shut up. Nobody is ever impressed by me. That's part of the charm. Now, hold still. It's going to take me 30 seconds to initialize.